Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool right here, and basically what this is an under the sink cabinet basket organizer drawer option. And for the one that we got right here is like a 2-tier sliding option. So first I'm actually open this up to show you guys what is actually included inside first. Alright, so once you guys take it out, here is basically what the product looks like. So let's take off the wrapper first. So once you guys take it out, here is basically what the product looks like. So if you have to open it up, they basically provide you guys the different parts and components on here for you guys to set everything up. So this bottom part right here is a sliding option, and right here is the top part. And then right here they do provide you guys instruction manual to teach you guys how to set it up and how to use it. And inside right here, you can see they do provide you guys accessories for you guys to set everything up. In terms of different bars, and also a little hook option if you guys do want to use that option. So the whole setup process and everything shouldn't take that long. It's actually very easy and very simple. You basically want to take out these bars right here to install it for each different corner. So I'm actually set this up to show you guys how to install it first. So let's take out this part right here first. Alright, so once you guys take this part out, if you guys can hear the material that's on here, it is super high quality material. So what I'm going to do is insert each one of these bars into each one of the corners right here. Make sure it goes all the way in. Once you guys have it in, you guys want to do the same thing for all of them. Alright, so once you guys got all 4 of them in, you guys can put this top part on. Once you guys have all of them in, you guys want to push it down. Make sure it's tight in. Once you guys put it all together, here is basically what the product looks like. And like I mentioned, if you guys want to use this hook option, you definitely can. Let me actually put it on to show you guys what it looks like. So once you guys take it out, here is basically what the product looks like. So all you need to do is just hook it on the side right here. So there we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So they do provide guys a total of 4 of them if you guys want to use all 4. But once you guys fully set it up, here is basically what the product looks like. So if you can see the capacity that's on here is actually pretty big. They do have a wide capacity on here to actually put a lot of stuff if you guys do want to. And then for the bottom compartment, they do have a sliding option. So let's slide it out. If you can see how far it can go out. And once it is done, you can slide it back in. Very easy and very simple. And you can see on the bottom part of the product, they do have like the non-slip material on all 4 corners. So that way when you guys do put it on a flat surface, it won't move around. And then obviously when you guys do use the product, you definitely will keep everything all organized. So that way you know where everything is. And that way you do have 2 different sections on here to stack stuff if you guys do want to, which is pretty cool. And I do love the way how to design the product for both the top part and bottom part. It does have a good amount of support for the side, so that way when you guys do put stuff on here, it won't fall off as easy. So here is basically what the product looks like once you guys do set it up. Let me actually go put this in the cabinet or under the sink to show you guys what it looks like first, and then we'll come back and talk more product in a second. Alright, so once you guys set up the product, here is basically what the product looks like. So you can see the capacity that's on here is actually very wide and very big. You can see how much stuff we can put on top and also on the bottom. And when you guys do put stuff on here, you can see it does have a pretty good support to actually carry a lot of weight on here. And for the bottom part, I do love the fact that how it has a sliding option. So if you guys want to pull it out, you guys can pull it out really easily. And once you guys are done, you guys can push it back in. So that way you do have easy access for getting whatever you guys want in here, which is pretty cool. So it definitely works pretty well and actually looks pretty cool once you guys do set up. And it helps you guys keep everything organized once you guys do set it up as well. Welcome back guys. So that is a quick test of the product, and definitely see actually does work and actually works quite well. So whether if you guys want to use this in your restroom or kitchen sink or anywhere else, wherever you guys want to set this up or put this, that is totally up to you guys. But when you see when I actually set up the product, it actually looks pretty nice. And I love the fact that I actually keep everything all organized, so that way you know where everything is when you guys want it. And when you guys do feel the product, it actually feels pretty lightweight. So that way it makes it a lot easier for you guys to carry around to different rooms if you guys do want to. But when you see when we do set the product and use it, everything about the product definitely works pretty well. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now that we do unboxing and testing product, now to answer the question of whether or not that's worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these. Especially if you guys are trying to look for a high quality organizer that you can put underneath your sink. That has 2 different tiers on here to put a lot of stuff if you guys do want to. Then I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have to one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.